with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Cadillac features heated power mirrors, premium sound, and rear spoiler. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include HD radio, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless, backup camera, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.